world is beautiful, but we have forgotten how beautiful it is. It is a fact that our environment is falling apart, but human beings, you and I, are responsible for the state the Earth is in today. Decades of industrialization and economic growth have created a different Earth that we do not know and do not like. Qatar, a melting pot of urbanization and economic growth. An independent monarch state considered to be one of the fastest growing countries in the world. Located at the midpoint of the western coast of the Arabian Gulf, the peninsula of Qatar is known to have over 16 billion barrels of natural gas, the third largest natural gas reserve in the world. Oil has been the major source of income for Qatar for the past 10 years. Despite all that's taken place in terms of economy in Qatar, Qatar continues to pay special attention to the general cleanliness of the country. Waste management in Qatar is set to go high-tech with Qatar's first integrated domestic solid waste management center. This center is capable of treating 2,300 tons of mixed domestic waste per day. It is currently being set up in an area next to Mesaid at 300 acres of land. The 3.9 billion Rial project is carried out by the Environmental Engineering Division of the Singapore-based Keppel Corporation Limited, Keppel Seghers. Once the plant becomes operational, commercial and household waste will be collected by trucks and transferred to the 4 new transfer stations. After the process of compaction and reloading onto heavy load trucks, waste is then transferred to the Waste Management Center. The Waste Management Center includes recycling and separation facilities, the waste-to-energy general plant, the composting facility, engineered solid waste landfill, and construction and demolition waste recycling. The Integrated Waste Management Center is designed to provide maximum recovery of waste by establishment of state-of-the-art technologies. The waste-to-energy plant is the heart of the Waste Management Center. It is the latest technology established for the recovery of waste products. After garbage is sorted into different categories, it is then incinerated through the waste-to-energy plant in order to generate electricity. A number of attempts were made to interview environmental scientists and engineers in the making of this video. The purpose of these interviews was to enhance the legitimacy of this documentary. However, some of the information in this documentary was considered sensitive by some members of the government, so the interviews were not granted. However, all support was given that was needed for the finishing of this documentary.